you want your longest two cords on the outside. We're doing a spiral knot. It's just like a square knot, except you don't alternate sides. You do the same knot on each side. You want to leave a little space right here, because this is where we're going to do our gathering knot, and we're going to make like a handle, like a keychain handle. If you don't know how to do a square knot, watch my previous video. I go over it there. It's just like tying a shoe though. And we just keep going down like so. See, we're starting to get a spiral. And it's going to keep spiraling for that whole round. I did mine are roughly about 12 inches. So I think that's a fair loop. It's a fair loop. All right. Let's see. I think that they're going to fit it like that. Anywho, we're going to line up the bottom of our first knot, and then our last knot. And then where we left this little gap, that's where the gathering knot's gonna go. Lost my words for a moment. All right, let's do this. With a gathering knot, we make a loop like so. Okay. And then we're going to go around that loop and our hanging cords, our little loose cords. I am not good at gathering knots, but you know, I do the best I can. We built to the ring. We're going to get the cord that we've been looping around, put it through our original loop, pull it through, and then the tail of the loop that we made in the beginning, you just pull it. I'm going to make sure that this is tight by pulling it. Learn from my mistakes. Before it goes all the way in, you still have that a little hanging out, you want to just trim I'm going to trim it a little. Alright, so when you pull it through, it hides it. There. Where my cords weren't like snug against the gathering knot, I'm just grabbing these extras, these like little excess cords, and I'm pulling them in. So that way it's nice and snug. And then we just want to trim our extra cords. Get smaller scissors than I have. They'll make it easier. These can be used for something else. I wouldn't throw them away, personally.